In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to voice chat with Microsoft Copilot. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll be chatting effortlessly with your AI companion. Imagine being able to communicate with your digital assistant as if you were having a conversation with a friend. That's the power of voice chat with Microsoft Copilot. To get started, you will first need to navigate to Microsoft Copilot, your trusted AI companion. You can easily do this by heading to the Microsoft Copilot platform. As you land on the site, you'll find a user-friendly interface that's designed to make your experience as smooth as possible. Now, keep an eye out for the microphone icon on the screen. It's typically located in the chat interface, clearly visible to users. Clicking this microphone icon is your gateway to entering the world of voice chat with Microsoft Copilot. Once you click on it, the system is ready to start listening to your voice commands. It's important to ensure that your device's microphone is enabled and functioning properly. So take a moment to check your device's audio settings if necessary. The microphone icon is the key feature here. It distinguishes voice chat from text-based interactions, adding a personal touch to how you communicate with your AI. By utilizing this function, you can not only speed up the process of getting answers, but also find it quite engaging and interactive. Remember, if you're having trouble finding the microphone icon, it might help to refresh the page or check any pop-up blockers that could be inhibiting its function. Once your microphone is active, feel free to start speaking to Microsoft Copilot. You can ask questions, request assistance, or even engage in a variety of tasks, much like you would with a human assistant. This conversational approach makes the whole interaction both efficient and enjoyable. It's a great way to multitask or to simply carry on with your day while getting the assistance you need. A helpful tip is to speak clearly and at a moderate pace to ensure the AI understands you correctly. If you find that you're not getting the desired responses, you can click the microphone icon again to retry the process. In summary, voice chatting with Microsoft Copilot is as simple as navigating to the platform, locating and clicking on the microphone icon, and then speaking your request or questions. This feature transforms the way you interact with technology, blending the ease of conversation with the power of an AI assistant. Give it a try and enjoy the seamless communication it offers. Thank you for watching, and